Joey the snitch, Joey the rat. Bro, I, I had come to this conclusion. Bro, all y'all internet thugs, this is what y'all do. Y'all don't, y'all not try to do anything. Only thing y'all like doing is getting everybody's attention, and then once y'all get people's attention, y'all run like y'all Usain Bolt. But at the same time y'all running, y'all still talking trash. Still talking trash. And then when y'all know the person is fed up and ready to whoop y'all, y'all start lying even more. Start lying even more. Because y'all know the outside world can't find out what these people are saying to y'all losers, because y'all scared. Y'all pussy boys. Y'all hurry up, block what anybody's saying to y'all. I mean, y'all hurry up and do it too, bro. Y'all know that if people would know the truth about what's been said to y'all or threaten y'all, y'all know people would just even hate y'all even more because y'all pussies. I mean, that's what it is. Because, you know, I have never heard a grown man say, I didn't fight back because she told me not to. You know, that's just borderline stupid. I mean, I'm being real here. It don't make no sense. It would never make sense. It would never make sense that a thug, as you said, call yourself, thug. I'm from the streets. I'm from the streets. I'm from the streets. But you freaking lie about everything. You know you ain't from that life, man. And you just continue to try to say you are. You try to say the most jacked up stuff, ignorant stuff, get people's attention, and then when it's time to throw those hands, your punk butt go running. Literally goes on the run. Who does that? Who intentionally talk trash, say this, say that, just to get people's attention, and then when the person ready to whoop you, you run and hide. I never heard of a thug say the weak crap you say. I've never heard somebody say, Ashley wouldn't let me fight him. I was gonna fight him. I was gonna fight him. No, you wasn't. You wasn't fighting him if they would have gave you money to fight him. Bro, you were so scared. So scared. He's fat though, as you say. This fat dude. But this fat dude whooped you. He had you scared. And now you talk all this trash about oh, come on to my job, come on to my job. Stop it, bro. You know, god dang well, if somebody came up to your job, you know what you would do? You would make sure he get in trouble. And then you would be like, I don't know who he was. I don't even know why he up here. I don't know who he was. That's what faggots do, bro. Y'all don't never want to fight. Y'all fighting is on the computer. That's y'all fighting. That's y'all. I'm gonna get it in. I'm getting it in. I mean, bro, you constantly tries to make yourself bigger than life. Like you think you throwing those things, boy. I promise to my mama. Shut up, bro. You ain't nothing, man. You are so pathetic. So pathetic that you are on YouTube begging. Let me say it again. Begging for this chick Ashley to take you back. Begging. You went as far as say she's your wife. I'm sitting there just thinking like, this dude is such a pussy, man. But then you'll turn around and threaten her. But she's your wife. She's your wife. Oh, and you don't care about her drug problem. Let me say something about that too. So, this the woman you love, the woman you can't live without, right? Woman you love like no tomorrow. But you would purposely put her out there as a druggie, a nobody. She's on drugs when I seen her, when I got with her, and I didn't even care. Little giblet head. Person I don't care about somebody's problems. You just want to get help for them. Do not, I repeat, do not put her business, her dirty laundry out for the world to see. You understand that, bro? I know you don't, because if you did, you wouldn't have been doing it from the word go. See, what I'm learning about y'all weak, pathetic little men that hides on a computer and think y'all are the toughest thing ever created. But you know this well as we know. You couldn't fight yourself out of a paper bag, bro. with your nasty looking arms. Stop flexing. Bro, I seen bigger arms on a Cabbage Patch dog than I seen on those on you. I didn't see, you just, bro, you just a consistent idiot. You never disappoint. Because you are that stupid of a person. You just don't, you'll never get it. Quite frankly, you probably can't get it. Because you're dumb. Idiots don't pick up stuff. That's why you're an idiot. That's why anybody dealing with you are idiots. And I will say this 1,000 times over. Why would anybody want anything to do with you? Why? You don't bring nothing to the table. You ain't productive nowhere. You've been on here for 10 years and haven't done nothing. Haven't done absolutely nothing with yourself. Other than blow money, blow that little minimum right money, which I'm so goddamn tired of hearing about. I'm tired of seeing you dig in your nasty pants and pull out that nasty looking money. It's so, you are so irritating. You're like that freaking piece of corn that's stuck in your tooth that you're trying to get out. Keep trying to get out. That it just don't want to come. That's you. That's you all the way. You are that annoying and that pathetic of a man, person, anything. You almost got me. You almost got me going back and forth with your dumb butt. But I figured it out. The more attention I give to you, more times you can stay on that. You can stay on YouTube because you have no fans. When you be screaming all looking stupid and trying to, oh God, man, stop trying to dance to the music. Stop trying to look like you hard. You make your old mad face. Jesus, you ugly, man. You don't do it, bro. Just stay away from that area. Because, bro, you look rough. Bro, you look rough. I'm talking about, bro, you look like you've been drugged through dirt and then got back up and got drugged again with those same black pants that I have seen literally. Now, before I say, what's your excuse for this? Bro, I didn't see you in those same jeans for a week straight. A week straight, bro. A week straight. You are a grown man. A grown man that's still not knowing how to wash your clothes. Bro, you are a 30-year-old mindset of a child. Because who in their right mind walk around wearing the same jeans for a week straight and didn't have the nerve to talk about somebody else wearing a shirt for a couple of days? Please, tell me how that worked. Please, tell me how that worked. That it is okay for one non-scrub to wear his clothes so much that they walk by themselves, and then have the nerve to talk about somebody else. So, please, key me in on that. Let me know what I'm missing. Because you are by far the worst looking person on YouTube. I'm just gonna put it out there, bro. You are an ugly dude, man. And you look even nastier when you be pitting, flexing. I mean, you are Timmy in the flesh. And you know who Timmy is. Timmy. You are Timmy. You are the Timmy that can walk. And Timmy, the one that's paralyzed, probably want to kill you because he probably thinking you wasting those legs. Wasting away your legs. And that's... and bro, you're just something else, man. And that's why I always say, bro, before I stop doing this crap, I'm going to get you. And after that, I'm walking away. I don't need you to dictate my well-being or my keeping me busy on a day-to-day basis. You do. You need YouTube for that. And it ain't even a debate, bro. You need YouTube so bad it's killing you. You don't have no life. You don't have no job. You lie about all your job you say you have. And what makes it even funnier, like to put it in perspective, bro. You literally says, and I quote, "I don't need YouTube. I have my show." So I guess you negotiated with YouTube to let you stay on YouTube for your show, but let you say you don't need YouTube. That was the deal. You worked out with YouTube. Because somebody that don't like YouTube, bro, you should be on your hands and knees running to YouTube to promote that disgusting thing you call music. Bro, you should have paid homage to yourself. Did you literally, bro, could make people crap themselves. Soon as they hear your music, I'm famous. Soon as they hear that, it's like, ooh, bubble guts. Here it come. I mean, it's priceless with you, man. Priceless. But all seriousness, bro, I'm gonna get you, man. I really am. Bro, you can talk all the trash you want. You can say this, say that. But the simple fact, I am coming for you, bro. I am seriously coming for you. You don't get it. I really believe you like what you do and what you say to people, because you know all thing you got to do is run and hide. And then when people be like looking for you or saying, "Yeah, where you at?" You don't let the other people know that person that you say you you destroyed or whatever you want to call it have been looking for you still and want to pound you. Oh, you don't tell people that. See what you do? You tell people, but you want everybody to hear, like your little butt buddy Zelenoff. And Blah. Y'all three pussies have nothing, absolutely nothing remotely interesting about y'all three, other than y'all unbelievable, unreal obsession about lying. Y'all lie so much, it is scary, bro. Absolutely scary. I done see some liars, man, that just lie, just to lie and sound tough. But I never seen a liar that would lie, knowing you're lying about whatever it is, but you would act like, how dare us question your lying? And I mean, you take it a whole nother level. You keep lying about, your mansion crap. You keep lying about, your cars, and you don't got none of this, man. Not one of this. Bro, you have nothing remotely close to anything you say you got. And I see the pieces to the story just keep coming out slowly from you. So, millionaire. You are such a millionaire that you let your girl that you say you're going to marry sit in the cold at a Greyhound bus station instead of saying, hey, I'm a millionaire, let me call somebody and tell them to come pick us up, because I ain't sitting out in the cold. Let's go in a nice hotel for we don't got to be in the cold. Or better yet, let's take one of our 5 luxury whips and say, let me go drive one of those. Or let's take a Greyhound bus and go straight down there. No, but like you say, you done spent more money than we ever had. I'll tell you another thing you have done. You have done more dumbest things that we will ever even think about doing. You have done already. Some of the dumbest stuff, some of the terrible lies. So, I say again, you are such a millionaire that you let Superwoman Ashley sit in the cold with you. And the only thing you said, somebody walked by and they said, we look like we love each other. Oh, man, shut the F up. Jesus. Bro, get some balls, man. You always talking about love. I see why everybody named Mama want to give you black eyes, because you are such a pussy. Go jump on a ledge somewhere and put your yellow do-rag on and read from a book that you probably said you wrote, even though the book was probably published in 1815, and you'll say you wrote it and you just not publishing it, so that's why nobody knew that you did it, because you wanted to wait. A terrible lie you'll make up. Bro, Jesus, man, you're a pussy. And what makes it worse, bro, you think you're tough. And you be lying so badly, bro. You lie. Jesus, to stop lying. I mean, bro, that's what you are, man. And I ain't gonna get drugged down with you, bro, because you're a cancer. That's all you are, is a cancer that just nobody want anything to do with. So I'll leave you with this, bro. I am going to get you. I am going to hurt you. And I'm going to do it all with my hands. And you're going to have no excuses, bro. No excuses whatsoever. I promise you. You better fight. Because I tell you what, you're going to see something that you better wish you would have said sorry. That's the only thing I want to tell you, bro. Believe it, take it, believe it or not. Just remember, it's going to happen. Because you stepped over that line for the last time. No good maggot. Trust me. Yo, just trust me.